Hi nurturers, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Fernell and I am a stay-at-home mom of a 6-year-old, 4-year-old, 2-year-old with a baby on the way, just doing 2.5 months. I wanted to share with you guys that I am a certified teacher with a bachelor degree in sociology and psychology and then a master's degree in education. A lot of you have asked, what are you doing at home with your children to help them learn and grow? Not only just during this pandemic, but since becoming a stay-at-home homeschooling mom. So I wanted to share tips and tricks that I've been doing with my children to help them learn and to thrive. And in this video, I will share 12 must-teach techniques, things that you absolutely should teach your children if they are between 0 and 5 to not only help them get ready for school, but also like life success. These are foundational skills that will help them to learn, to thrive, and to achieve academic success in life. So let's jump right into the video. Hi nurturers, Fernell here with Nurture in Christ, and our videos are all about how we cook, clean, and care for our family. One of the ways we do that is to teach them. So today I'm going to show you what we're working on with our just turned 2-year-old son, Shiloh. First, we're going to start with some letter sounds. Can you stop, please? Okay, you can go on. You can come on the camera next. Okay, ready? Shiloh, come on. A. The A says. The B says. The C says. The D says. The E says. The F says. The G says. The H says. The I says. The J says. The K says. The L says. The M says. The N says. The O says. The P says. The Q says. The R says. The S says. The T says. The U says. The V says. The W says. The X says. The Y says. The Z says. Good. All right, I want to pause real quick just to let you know Shiloh was in a very, very silly mood during this entire video and growled all of those sounds. So they don't exactly sound how they're supposed to. For example, he said zah when he normally knows it's zzz. When you're teaching your child, you do not want to make the mistake of teaching them to say blends, which are 2 letters stuck together and sounded the same. You don't want to teach them blends when they should be saying clear letter sounds. For example, b, k, d, f, not fe, f. It's one letter. So for example, if they are getting into the bad habit of saying fe, when they go to read the word fat, F-A-T, later on when they're ready to read, F-A-T, instead of saying f, at, they're going to say fat. It's going to cause them issues. So make sure that they're clearly saying each letter sound succinctly and that they're not getting into the bad habit of adding another letter with that. If you have any questions, just comment below. I will answer those questions and I can even do a follow-up video to help. Just let me know. All right, Shiloh, what shape is this?
Yeah.
Not 0. It is the number 0, but what shape is it? Circle. Good job. What shape is this? Square. Good job. What shape is this? Triangle. Good job. What shape is this? Rectangle. Good job. What shape is this? Oval. Good job. What shape is this? Heart. Good. What shape is this? Diamond. Good. What shape is this? Diamond. Yeah, you're making a diamond. What shape is this? Star. Good. What shape is this? Hold on. What shape is this? You want to do these ones over here? First, tell me what shape this is.
Moon.
It is the moon, but what type of moon is it? Crescent. Good job. High five. Boom. We are going to do, what about what? The names? Oh, he knows all his letter names. He learned them first when he sang the alphabet. Ready? Shiloh, what number is this?
1.
Good. What number is this?
Mom. 1.
1. Good. What number is this?
8.
8. Good. What number is this? You can be done. What number is this?
2.
2. Good. What number is this? 7. Good. What number is this?
1, help me get food.
3. Good. What number is this? 6. Good. What number is this? 4. Good. What number is this? Good. What number is this? 0. Good. What number is this? 10. Good. Ready? What color is this? Red.
What kind of twigs we can take them with?
Orange.
Green.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Good.
Green.
Green. Blue. Purple.
Where do we put these? Where do we put these?
Pink. Oh boy. Oh boy. Who's getting distracted? Who's getting distracted? Who's getting distracted by the camera? Who's getting distracted by the camera? Oh boy. Okay, come on, Shiloh. Shiloh.
Okay,
A is for apple.
apple.
Apple. And good. B. B is for ball and bzzz. C. C or you bzzz. Ah, you got me. C. C is for cat.
Hello.
Hello. Roar. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Tweet, tweet. Red bird, what do you see? You want to read it? Okay, ready? Go ahead. You read.
What I see. What I me. What I see. I see a bag. What I see. Back. What I see. I see cat. Me.
Purple cat.
Purple dog. What I see. I see a dog. What I see. What I see. I see what I me. What see what I see.
Where's your head? Good. Where are your ears? Where are your ears? Good. Where's your nose? Good. Where's your mouth? Good. Where is your tongue? Good. Where are your eyes? Good. Where are your eyebrows? Good. Where's your forehead? Good. Where is your chin? Good. Where are your cheeks? Good. Where are your shoulders? Not in your mouth. Where are your shoulders? Good. Where are your fingers? Good. Where are your knees? You can't really see your knees. Not in your mouth. Where's your hair? Good. Where are your knees? Good. Where is your belly button? Good. Whose belly button is that? Okay, thank you. Good boy. Where's your tongue? Good. Where are your teeth? Good. Can you clap? Good. Can you wave? Good. Can you smile? Good. Can you frown? You struggle to frown. Can you jump up and down? Good. Can you kick? Oh. Can you give me a kiss? Okay, no. Can you give me a kiss? I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, thank you.
Mommy, look.
Okay. Oh, you kissing the phone? Okay, good boy. Thank you for those kisses.
Hello.
Hello, Faith.
Oh.
Hi, Harmony. Hi, Faith. We gotta do your hair. Here. God. Say God
God
is
is
love.
love.
1 John
First down.
4:8. Good. Can you say it again? Say, God is love.
Love.
1 John 4:8. 0, 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100.
9, 100? You mean 10?
10.
E.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
19, 20. 21.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 89, 100.
30.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Mama, can I just put my costume? 37, 38, 39, 100.
40. It's not 100, it's 40. Say bye, everybody.
Bye!
Bye, nurturers.
Okay.
Faith, how many of you guys want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye. I'm going to leave a link to all of the products that I've used in this video in the description box below. That way, if you want to order them on Amazon to teach your kids, all you have to do is click on that link and it'll take you right to the ones that I use. These are products that I highly recommend in order for not just teaching your pre-K, preschool level child, but if you have older elementary or even high school level children, a lot of these resources can be really helpful at home for homework, for homeschool, for whatever you got going on. I do want to mention that if you are a busy parent like myself, you can do these lessons for your pre-K or preschool prep student in under 10 minutes. Look at the timestamp. I did this in under 10 minutes. So if you don't have a lot of time to spare, please be encouraged that you don't need a lot of time. You can print these things out on index cards. You can buy them from the dollar store. You can buy them from Amazon using one of my links. But you can do it. It is daunting to feel like you don't know what you're doing, but there are resources and people like me here to help you. So any questions, any information that you need to learn, we are here to help. Before I became a homeschooling mom, I started working at an inner city school in Detroit. And when I got there, I was so heartbroken to learn that so many of the students were falling behind 2, even 3 grade levels. So I made it my mission to not only catch them up, but teach them what they needed to learn. I want to make sure that this does not happen to your child. So in the next coming weeks, I'm going to be sharing a lot of videos with you on how I teach our children from a very young age so they don't fall through the crack. One-to-one correspondence, matching, letter recognition, just a lot of the basic skills that they need in order to thrive in math and language arts. So make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on any of the videos I have. If you have children that are 0 to even 8 years old at home, these videos would be beneficial to you, not only if you're homeschooling, but also if you want to support your child who's learning at home virtually, or just you want to make sure that they don't fall behind in school, that you can assist them at home. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that all 12 of those tips were a blessing to you. Please comment below and let me know, what are you doing with your children? Are there any tips that you think I missed? Include them below. I'm sure the entire nurturer community would love to learn. And also, let me know, what was your favorite tip? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish you all the success with either teaching your students or your children. May God bless you today and always. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our new videos, and be sure to check out the old ones. I have tons of homeschool videos, morning, evening, day in the life, lots of good stuff, even recipes on here. So be sure to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.